Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of when the app you click on settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Windy app and you will click. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage and then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.